Good morning, dear students, grade 2. So this is the last exercise in chapter 2, which is matrices. So try before this lecture to study all the referencing and indexing which we cover. Then you have to come to this exercise. In this exercise, I give you three matrices, as you can see here. This is A, this is B, and this is V. The first question I ask you to create three arrays in MATLAB for these three matrices. And this is very simple and easy. You just try to understand these matrices. We said that you can start by 2, then comma, 5, comma, 8, blah, 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 until 17. When you go for a new line, you have to put semicolon and 3. Or you just have to understand this matrix. As you can see here, this is A equals 2, open bracket. It started from 2. Step size is 3, as you can see here, 2, 5, 8. So step size is 3. You end at 17. When you start a new line, you have to put semicolon, as we have covered in the class. Then I started from 3 again. Step size 3. Last number is 18. Put semicolon again. Now from 4 till 19, and you continue 4 till 19. Step size here also 3. Put semicolon. I start from 5. Step size 3. You end at 20. Put semicolon to start a new line. 6 until 21. You check the step size, 6, 9, 12, that means step size moving by 3. I close my bracket. This is A. I'll go for B. B equals 2. I start from 5 till 30 step size, it's very clear, obvious. The step size is 5. Next row started from 30 and at 55 step size, also 5. So let me write this matrix down here. By the way, if you put capital A here in the next steps of this exercise, you should use always capital A. Use capital B, you continue the capital B. But if you put small, because MATLAB is key sensitive as we explained before. So C equal to, so we have A, B, and V. So B equals 2. Now, B started from 5, step size is 5 until 20, till 30, sorry, semicolon, 30 till 55, step size is 5, you move forward. In next row, I put semicolon, start from 55, step size 5, ended at 80. V started from 99, end at 91. As you can see here, I'm moving by -1, so I put here -1. Writing these three comments will give you these three matrices. Let me go to the most important part, which is referencing. So it says here, after we finish this part of the question, this part has been finished already. Replace last 4 columns of the first and third row. What is the first and third row in A? Of A. First, this row. Third row is this one. But he needs only the last 4 columns. So come to these 4 last column. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So which columns number are they? This column 4, 5, 6, 7. That means I start A here in capital. Okay. A of what? I need to create a location. So the first one has a location. As you know, these are the first components, which are rows. Then we have second components, which are columns. So firstly we start with the rows. It's row number 1 and row number 3 only. So I choose 1, I choose 3. Then in the column side, it's from column 1, 2, 3. It's from 3 till 4, 5, 6. So I start from column 3 until column 6. So I put here from 3 until 6. Then I close my bracket. Here I need to close this bracket. Okay. Change it with what? He said here, with the first 4 columns of the first 2 rows of B. So 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4. The first 4 columns in B, that means give a number from 1 until 4 in B. So equals to B. I give him from 1 till 4, but this is column. So I put here 1 until 4 in terms of columns. Then of the first 2 rows of B. So in B, first 2 rows, that means only this and this. So I will change this with only first 2 rows. 1 and 2 rows in B. So B now is ready. As you can see here, I have B is only 1 and 2. They are locations. So I will put this in B. Then what? All of B is a location. So I should put it under brackets. Then what? It says that we have finished this part. The last 4 columns of the 4th row, we are still last 4 columns in A. Of the 4th row, where is the 4th row? This is the 4th row. So last 4 columns is from 3 to 6. And the 4th row, I add number 4 in here. Replace it with what? With elements from 5 until 8. In of V. Where is V? This is V. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from 5, 6, 7, 8 till here. Replace it with what? Replace it with the 4th row of A. So I put V. Okay. It's 1. Then from 5 through 8. So 5 till 8. This is in V. Then what do we have? We have, it says here, and the last 4 columns of the 5th row of A. You see, this is A. We're still in the last 4 columns, but this time the 5th row. So I write number 5 in here. I'm still in the 5th row and the last 4 columns. Nothing has been changed. Okay, with column from 2 through 5 of the 3rd row of B. Where is the 3rd row of B? Is here. So I write B here again. But this time, I start with the rows. So it says that 2 till 8 of the 3rd row. I put 3rd row, comma, 2 through 5, 2 through 5. Now, I close my bracket. So this is the first part. How do we extract the numbers from the questions? Then the next part, I will show you how to solve it using MATLAB. Thank you very much for watching me. This is part 1. I'll show you how to program the MATLAB, which is the part 2 of this lecture. Thank you very much.